Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll teach you how to add post-purchase survey on Shopify. Let's get started. So what you can do is you can head over to the apps at shopify.com, which is Shopify's app store. Then from in there, you should be able to search for post-purchase survey. Now, as you can see, they have a lot of apps here that you can actually use. But for me, the ones I will use is actually called the Zigpoll Customer Survey, or you can also choose this K&O Post-Purchase Survey. So for me, I'll just click on this one. And then as you can see, they have a free plan available and they also have a free trial. So you can choose the trial or the plan that you want is for you. So for me, I'll head over and click on this install button. And then once I have clicked on that, it will ask me for access in order to successfully integrate this app into my Shopify. So let's just wait for this right here to finish the loading process. And in just a few seconds, just click on this install button. And as you can see, it will install itself to my Shopify dashboard. So this is what will greet me. It will show me my account name as my Shopify, and then you can actually choose in here what describes your industry best. For me, I'll just choose clothing and fashion. Then I can just put in here the state and province and how did they discover. So for example, I'll just head over and then choose other right here. And then I can specify it from the Shopify App Store. So let's say it like that. After that, it will ask me how much I spent on advertising. So for me, I'll just choose this one. And what problems I have. So I'll just put this, customer insights and all of that. And I will just click on this yes. Or you can also click on no depending on what you want. And then after that, just click on this check icon right here in order to agree to their terms and condition. Just head over and create an account right here. And then this will load like this in order to create an account in here. So as you can see, it will show us our plan. So I'll just choose this free plan that they have available since it's just a tutorial, but you're free to use any plan that you think is for you. So for me, I'll just choose this right here. I'll click on this free forever. And then after that, it will load like this in order to show me to this dashboard right here. So let me head over and just answer this. Like for example, how will you deliver your survey to customers? You can add it to your order confirmation screen or you can send it to the link. So for me, I'll just choose this one, then click on confirm. Then after that, you can just name your survey. So for example, let's name it, are you satisfied? Then you can choose an audience right here. So when you choose an audience, you can choose to get your audiences right here. You can enable that. You can target specific locations or audience details that you have saved on your Shopify. You can always skip that step. And in here, you just need to add in here some question. It can be checkbox, text area, or everything that you have. So for example, let's make this right here for the checkbox. And then from here, just put in here a title. Like for example, let's make this something like, what do you think of our products? You can say something like that. And then in here, just put in your checkbox input value. So first, let's put in here best. Then let's put in here good. And then after that, let's put in here fair. And let's put here bad right here. So once you have created your answers for your questionnaire, make sure that it's required. Then you can choose your look. It can be confirmation or it can be a theme. You can use dark theme right here as your primary color. You can also put in your custom CSS for embed support. So for me, I'll just choose this one, click on complete right here. And then once I have done that, as you can see, it will load. And then let's head over and publish it on our Shopify account. And then as you can see, survey has been published. Here's over my confirmation screen. So whenever someone check out our actual screen, it should be able to appear there. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.